Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So I'll just show you quickly last week's spread using Happy Blooms and Caregiver, and the vertical layout is actually working really well for me. So this week I'm going to be using Teacher Florals because it's gorgeous, along with some of the extra stickers that go along with it. Let's get started. Okay, so the florals that I want to use, I've already used all of them up in this book, so I will be using this book because they're just, all those blues are so stinking pretty. So what I want to do though is boxes, and I just realized I've used most of them. Oh no, I haven't. I'm good. Okay. I'm going to use a mix of these to do boxes along with these boxes. So let's do this on Tuesday. And then on Monday, I know I have an appointment in the afternoon, so I'm going to just put that there. Then I will put a green box here. I'm doing functional first, but I feel like I almost should be doing the decor first, but we'll see. Then there's these, which are gorgeous and way too big, but I think could work really well. Part of me thinks that I should stick to one thing throughout the whole spread, but I'm gonna use a mix of them because I know some people like using all checklists, and some people like using all boxes, and I totally cut that crooked. Whee. Yeah, totally crooked. Save that for another time. And then I'm gonna place, I'll place a box or a to-do list on Thursday. I normally don't have tons of stuff to do on the Thursday, but better to put a to-do list than use up space of the whole box. Okay. So far I like it. Then now let's go back to the boxes. Like, I can't get over them. They're so pretty. If I can find them. And then, oops. So Fridays to do. And I actually feel like this would work better on Sunday, but let's give this a go. Now I'm wondering if I put a to-do list actually on Saturday, like a checklist. Actually a box would be better, but then I put a to-do list on Sunday, first thing in the morning. Although most of the stuff that I do with the kids is first thing in the morning on the Saturday. It's just a matter of balancing everything out. So let's put the, why is that so hard? Where to put the box? I don't know why that is so difficult, but it is. Here we go. Boxes. Oh, another floral. Let's not forget that last floral. Okay. So if I'm going to use a box, yeah, let's do Saturday morning. And then I will put, I'll put the to-do list here because it just needs to even out, I guess. I'm almost wanting to look at what I did the week before. Oh, got it. And that's fine. So what I feel like I can do now, since all of that is kind of taken care of, I can go and add my florals and some quotes. So before I do that, let's find the last. It all has remember. Let's find the last blue floral that was in here. Place that just here with, well, I'll take this out first and write where it came from and the date, so I can keep track of all the sheets that I have used. Then into this sticker book, like how pretty are those quotes, but too big. Ugh, too big. Crap. Unless, like it takes up the whole page. I like that there is beauty all around. I'm probably going to use that in my horizontal. Okay, let's just take a moment and just add the florals where I can. I just don't want to put the stickers over the holes for the discs. There we go. Then, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Then I'll put a smaller floral down here. And I don't necessarily want to block all of this off, but just even a smaller one would look nice here. Yeah. And then I'm going to leave that, but I want to find a quote, because quotes are my thing. There aren't a ton. There aren't a ton of quotes that I could use in here. I'm going to take a flag though. Well, let's just see. Veterans Day, none of these play. I'm going to take a flag for our movie night, because we always have movie night. That here. Okay. And I really feel like I do need to put something across here and even across here, but I don't know what. Weekend plans, late start. These are not all quotey, if you know what I mean. Let me just have a look. Oh, sorry, just got a call that my car is ready from OK Tire. Okay, I needed to find a quote. Where, oh, let's see. There are some good ones in here. I just like to have something there. Just maybe if we sit extremely still, Monday won't be able to see us. I like that. And then something a little bit more inspirational on this side. And I don't mind actually doing a little bit of gold foil, because it is doing bigger, you'll rise by lifting others. I'm going to do it like that. Okay, and then, so these ones are from the Joanne's Mega Sticker Book, the first Mega Sticker Book released a couple of years ago. And then what I'm going to do is add a couple more of these around. And then I think I'm going to be done with this spread. I mean, it feels like it needs something, doesn't it? It just feels like a, you know what? And I'm sure it will look better once I start writing in it. For now, I think it just looks a little bit like plain because it's got not much on there. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that as is. All right. Oh, I love this color scheme so much. So much. All right, again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.